I found this recipe for jalapeno chicken and it turned out so good. We're going to start with 2 pounds of cubed chicken and add a quarter cup of cornstarch, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and a quarter teaspoon of ground black pepper. Mix that up and we're going to incorporate that, and then we're going to set it aside for a little bit. Now we're going to mix up our liquid ingredients. We're going to start with a third a cup of brown sugar, a third a cup of water, a third a cup soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, and you're going to give that a little stir. Oh, and then 2 teaspoons of garlic. I like fresh. And we're going to set that aside. Next, you're going to chop up an onion, and you want to slice 2 jalapenos. Once you have those sliced, you're going to heat up your pot or your pan or your wok. Put a little oil in it, and then we're going to saute our chicken that's been sitting in a cornstarch mixture. And we're going to toss that around and evenly cook it till it's nice and golden brown. Once it's cooked, we're going to set that aside, and we're going to place our onion and jalapenos into the pot. And you want to saute that till it's fragrant and translucent. That way the peppers from the jalapeno will infuse into the rest of the dish. And then we're going to add our chicken back. And we're going to add in our liquid ingredients. And then we're going to stir this just till it thickens up a little bit. And once it's done, you have delicious chicken jalapeno. And this whole thing took about 30 minutes. It's such a quick and easy dish for weeknights.